Last year, we were delighted to have the Korku Atitsogbi Foundation join the nation, simply called KAF, to Tegbi Agbedrafor DA Basic School in order for them to do some donation to some members of the student body, which contributes to the development of the school. This school, since its establishment in 1960, has been an educational institution, in particular that has benefited a lot from the immense contribution of various individuals.
Nanya gbale mo moto de ma wo do na jinu oku ma ko fatua o mi de suku mi anya gbale manya hayo do na jinu oku ma ko fatua mi de suku mi anya gbale manya hayo nu e wo ma vi no ko eji hagu ozu dovlo ye wore mi pesusu na danyia nanya gbale boy wotore ba wo do na jinu oku ma ho fatu ahorori o ga mi awe blog ma ga nyenye blog ama koi Agbedrafor Korku Atitsogbi enya make enya nufiala ada sukul Agbedrafor fia lokoma wunu kaka da sukul aja sukul gomalafi aba enya teacher yika afia na science, that is chemistry yenya upper area anya america ekpo gbobe ye pa sukul vi oko nanya ba enu hia da nwodi ba mate sukul vago agbagbaje gaba ye wo nanamfanu ma alo ye nyanwuroro nanamfanu hiahiama na tenwa da sukua bagbedo malala ba majiba mashama nasa goma mi adegbe amakoi aha ma ronkuji ba ayo va buta apa suku krapo ayi no ina maths and science quiz anu onyo wona anwururu jiga ndi tola vovo ndo tola vovo plus suba ya temu akpo ba review kata wo popu ya fie nwo yi science and maths quiz me no nyama asamre national maths and science quiz or science or and maths quiz national jana gbagba ba ye view ye pasuku view makpo goma la nsosroma ba magadi hia nu pla ba o matemu adasuku o ta hill. I cannot be hidden. So you are a city on a hill. You cannot be hidden. If you are a city on a hill, set on a hill, but anywhere you are, I make a gamma up for ga. So be a city on a hill so that you cannot be hidden.
We thank the Korku Atitsogbi Foundation for the gift that they brought to the children. We thank them for coming last year and obeying their own words by saying they will return this year. Last year, it has helped in tremendous way by pushing the children, especially those who did not have bag and those who did not have uniform, and this made them not to be in school regularly, to come to school. And today we are thanking them again for coming and giving the children book, bag, and pen, which will also help the needy among them and encourage those who have done very well to do more, and also encourage those who will not get the first and second position among the girls and the boys to also back up in their learning and do their best and also get it next time when they come again. We thank the
Atitsogbi Foundation for giving us a uniform and a bag to the school. It was a grateful day for us today to receive things they give to us.
My name is Aneriba Ingabanyo Wendi. What you have given to us, we are really grateful for all that you have been doing to us. May the God Almighty bless you and the God will give you all that you have been losing. I am here to thank you very much for all that you have been doing to us. May God Almighty bless you with your encouragement that you have been giving to us. Thank you.
I'm happy to come to you this morning, and I am speaking on behalf of Korku Atitsogbi Foundation. As we speak, we are here at Tegbi Agbedrafor Basic School to do some donations. Last year we were here to do the same thing, and today too we have come. But today I can tell you, those witnessing this particular program will attest to the fact that we have moved forward. We've been able to provide 63 pieces of school uniforms for both boys and girls. These are pupils with torn uniforms. So with the help of the teachers, we were able to fish them out and then provide them the uniform. We also shared 300 pieces of exercise books, 300 pieces of pens. We shared quality school bags. That's about 55 pieces of them. And we've been able to give something to every JHS students here. Best behaved students were duly rewarded, and then so on and so forth. It's our hope that we continue this gesture, but we need your support. Anybody listening to me this moment and can support this cause can reach out to me 0244 512415 so that we'll take it further. To acknowledge our sponsors, Dr. Gilbert Nyalejibo, the Ashade family, the Atitsogbi family, Antoinette Matanawi. I want to thank my own husband for fueling his car, giving me the driver, always moving up and down, putting all these things together. And I thank all the supporters, those from GES offices, from Mangloga and Keta and Everlove TV, the teachers, parents, all here gathered. We are grateful. Thank you.